Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will give you a market regarding the cryptocurrencies plus trading ideas. So stick with me guys. So first of all, we're gonna have a look at the leading indicator for all cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. So as you can see here, we had this upward sloping trend line and it acted as support a couple of times here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and then we broke it. So as you can see here, we broke down, and as you know, the target of a chart formation like this is actually down here somewhere, and we almost perfectly reached it. So the question of right now is, how can we trade this? Guys, of course, if you want to support this channel, use the links in the description, for example, for the Phemex and for Bybit. A couple of $1,000s of bonuses are waiting there for you guys. Check the links in the description, and so let's go on. As you can see here on the hourly chart, the VPVR shows us that in this price range at about 23K, we have a lot of volume going on, yeah? And as you can see here, we broke down, almost perfectly reached our target. And yeah, this would have been a great short trade if you would have done it, guys. And so 23K, the VPVR shows us this. What does it mean? As you can see here, we went down here and now we went back up here. Now we have 2 points of resistance. First of all, VPVR, this could mean that we stay in this range for a couple of more hours or days. As you can see here, a lot of volume was traded in this price range here. Actually a couple of days here. Maybe we will stick to this range a couple of days now until we see a next major move going on. And even if you break above this line here, the VPR line, then let's say we go up here, then we have this previous support line, which would right now act as resistance. Let's say if you would break up here, this would be, let's say, in 1 or 2 days. Then we have this resistance at about 23.48K, sorry, 23.5K, guys. So if you break above this line, this would be somehow bullish, but no, I mean, if you're standing on the sidelines and if you're not in the trade right now, just wait. For example, we should break above this line and then also above the previous support line. If you take a look at Ethereum, let me show you guys. The scenario here is a little bit different because the VPR line on the hourly chart is up here, yeah? So we broke out of this chart formation here, as you can see, the rising channel, and right now we are retesting it. So what does this mean if you're standing on the sidelines and if you're not in a trade right now? If we break above this line, yeah, and we get at least, let's say, 2-3 hourly closes within this chart pattern, then we could entertain the idea of making a long trade. Let me show you guys. If we really stay, or let's say a 4-hourly close within the chart formation, then we could entertain the idea to make a trade, a long trade until up here, guys, okay? So this could, let's say we enter here, yeah, the price target would be about $1,660. But let's see, a 4-hourly close within the chart formation, then we could entertain the idea to make a long position and take some profits around here, or let's see what the market tells us at this point. Okay, guys? So, but as mentioned, here we have the VPR at 1,635. So we should also break above this line. So if you're in the long trade here, this could be a good point to take profits and then remain in the position maybe and see what the market tells us there, guys. Okay? So, as always, no financial advice. Always do your own research, guys. And yes, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.